Good day from Auckland, Discover Auckland, your ultimate travel guide. Yo, what's up everybody, it's your man Travel42 here. We're dropping in on Auckland, New Zealand. This place is insane. Beautiful harbor, cool vibes, friendly people. If you're even thinking about booking a trip to Auckland, stop thinking and just do it. You won't regret it. We're hitting the top spots, the hidden gems, the best food, and everything in between. So buckle up, smash that like button, and let's get this Kiwi adventure started. Alright, first up, we gotta hit Viaduct Harbour. This place is buzzing 24/7. Imagine this, you're strolling along the waterfront, the sun's setting over the harbor, sailboats are gliding by, it's like something out of a movie. Viaduct Harbour is a foodie's paradise. We're talking fresh seafood, award-winning restaurants, and street food that'll blow your mind. Grab some fish and chips, find a bench overlooking the water, and just soak it all in. Now I know what you're thinking, waterfront dining gotta be expensive, right? Wrong. Viaduct Harbour has something for every budget. You can ball out on a fancy dinner or grab a quick bite from a local vendor without breaking the bank. You can book a harbor cruise, learn to sail yourself, or just watch the boats go by. Trust me, Viaduct Harbour is a must-see. Next up, we're going up. That's right, we're heading to the Sky Tower, the most iconic landmark in Auckland. This thing is massive. You can see it from pretty much anywhere in the city. Now, I'm not usually one for heights, but even I gotta admit, the view from up here is insane. We're talking panoramic views of the entire city, the harbor, the surrounding islands. They even have this glass floor where you can walk out and see the city streets 328 meters below. Talk about an adrenaline rush! My knees were shaking a little bit, but it was totally worth it. If you're feeling brave, you can even do the sky jump. Even if you don't jump off the building, the Sky Tower is a must-do in Auckland. Alright, time for a little history lesson. The Auckland War Memorial Museum is more than just a museum, it's a powerful tribute to New Zealand's rich history and culture. Inside you'll find incredible Maori artifacts, fascinating exhibits about New Zealand's involvement in various wars, and a whole lot more. One of the coolest things about this museum is its focus on Maori culture. You'll learn about their history, their traditions, and their incredible art. They even have a section dedicated to moko, the traditional Maori art of tattooing. The museum also has a beautiful park surrounding it called the Auckland Domain. It's a great place to relax, have a picnic, and escape the hustle and bustle of the city. The Auckland War Memorial Museum is something special. Okay, time to escape the city for a bit and head to paradise. We're talking about Waiheke Island, a beautiful island just a short ferry ride from Auckland. Waiheke is known for its stunning beaches, its lush forests, and most importantly, its wine. That's right, this place is home to some of the best wineries in New Zealand. You can spend the day hopping from vineyard to vineyard, sampling delicious wines and soaking up the incredible scenery. Most of the wineries also have amazing restaurants, so you can make a whole day of it. Even if you're not a big wine drinker, there's still plenty to do on Waiheke. It's the perfect place to escape the city, relax, and indulge in a little bit of luxury. Alright, back on the mainland, let's check out Auckland Domain, the city's oldest and largest park. This place is huge. We're talking over 75 hectares of gardens, forests, duck ponds, and even a cricket ground. It's the perfect place to escape the city noise and reconnect with nature. You can go for a walk, have a picnic, or just chill out and read a book under a tree. They even have free concerts and events here throughout the year. If you're into sports, the Auckland Domain has you covered. You can play tennis, cricket, or even try your hand at lawn bowls. There's also a golf course nearby if you're feeling really ambitious. Whether you're looking for a relaxing escape, a place to get some exercise, or just a change of scenery, Auckland Domain has something for everyone. So there you have it, folks. That's a wrap on our Auckland adventure. From the vibrant waterfront of Viaduct Harbour to the breathtaking views from the Sky Tower, from the rich history of the Auckland War Memorial Museum to the stunning beauty of Waiheke Island, Auckland truly has something for everyone. Until next time, peace out.